Good morning. Good morning.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Good morning.
Hi guys, come on eat
Wow. Kain tayo.
fried rice.
Ito ang buhay namin
Very
nakatulong.
nice.
Ano ako mayroon akong yan from Africa, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Philippines, and I'm from Philippines. Diba? Ang saya namin, kahit ganito lang kami. Pag nakikita nila yung mukha ko, masaya sila eh. Fried rice daw lahat ng pagkain namin. Pag nakikita nila mukha ko, masaya sila eh. Parang ginawa nila akong clown. This, my friend, is from Utopia! Yay! Okay guys, kain tayo. Bye-bye.